What is your name?
My name is Mary Angel Llanos Constantino.
How old are you?
I'm 42 this year.
Okay. What is your religion?
I'm a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have son or daughter?
Yeah, I have 3 daughters and 1 son.
How old are they?
They are 24, 21, 17, and 14.
Okay. How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
I've been working in Hong Kong in 8 years now.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
No.
Okay. How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong
I've
Kong?
been working to my current employer around 2 years now.
Okay. Where is your latest employer living in?
Residence Bel Air in Kennedy Town.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
They're 1,200.
How many family members are they?
Only couple.
Only couple.
Yeah.
Adult
They're adults.
and elderly?
No.
Okay. How old the elderly?
Around 69, something like that.
Okay. So, would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I woke up around 7 o'clock in the morning to prepare their breakfast, like
Mm-hmm.
sweet potatoes and soup. And after that, I need to clean the house and then go to market and do some helping the elderly to work in the park and prepare the dinner and then go to bed
What time you prepare the dinner?
around 7 o'clock at night.
So, what time do you eat for the dinner?
They eat around 8:30
Okay. So, where will you go on your holiday?
or go to the park.
Okay. What kind of household chores are you good for?
I'm good at cleaning,
Mm-hmm.
cooking. That's it.
How about taking care kids or elderly? Are you good?
I'm good at taking care of kids because I have an experience from my previous employer, and the elderly is, I think it's good.
Okay. So, what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
I'm a maid in there and then a housewife.
Okay. Thank you.